Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to learn about multi-line text. I was just continuing the previous session where we have left. So in this multi-line text, in today's session, we are going to learn about multi-line text and small difference. What is the difference between your single line and multi-line? So how it is going to be work, or which one is the most used one? So here the first one I will tell you, multi-line text. It is a part of your text. So this text you are going to find in your draw toolbar command. So over here you can go with respect to the, as in the previous session also I have told you about, if you want a multi-line text, you just click on the text ribbon palette. You can just select your multi-line, or else you can go in the menu bar command. So you just click on the draw toolbar. At the bottom you are going to find your text. So here you are going to categorize it into two different parts. One is multi-line and single line. Single line already we have discussed in the last class. Now we are going to deal with respect to the multi-line. So now what I will do, I will just type the shortcut key for your multi-line text. So empty. So and I will hit enter. It will ask me in the command line specify the first corner. If I was just clicking the first corner and it is asking me the second corner, or along with some of the methods, don't worry about that one. You just click somewhere else, the opposite corner. Now the ribbon palette will be changes to your text editor. So here you got the first one as a style. In first column you are finding as a style. So this style will occupies your whatever this style of your alphabet. If you are writing, just I will take as a standard. So here annotative is there. I will teach you what is this annotative. So I am just replacing this text height to 3 feet. This mask is nothing but your background of your text color. If you want any of the background color, see here, this is unchecked is there. If I check this one, if I keep the yellow color, if I hit OK, the background color will be shifting to your yellow color. If you don't want that one, what you need to do, just go in the mask and you just uncheck this one and hit OK. It will disappear. Right. So match property we will see at the end. So now the first what I will write here hello. This hello will be in the which format? Arial format is there. Right. So if I want in the different format and different color, will I write continuously with a different size or a high text height? Definitely. So here by default the 5 feet is there. Now I will give as a 3 feet and I will hit enter. Now I will take the color as a what I call yellow. I will take light yellow and I will write with a different text style or text format. So I'll just select anyone randomly. So I will write here bold. See here the text height has been changed. This is 3 feet and this will be your 5 feet, and the text color will be changed. So everything or multitasking, the name itself is indicating that multi-line text. So you can write multiple different types of your text height might be, your font style might be, right, where you want to be replaced, or you can go with respect to all these things. Whatever we have discussed, the four primary things as I told you in the last class, you need to keep in mind that what should be the text angle. If you want any text angle, you can do that one also. If you want any text height, different text height in a single line, that will also be done, or whatever the font style is there, you can do all those things. But in single line text you cannot change the color of your alphabets or color of the letters. You cannot change that one, and you cannot change the text height in different. In single line, if I want the multiple text height line, that can't be done in your single line text, but in multiple line you can do that, all those things, right? So here one more is there. Next one is bold. So whatever I have been written this bold world. So if I want this world as in a block letter, then what I need to do is I need to select first this world, which one should be kept in the bold. You just hit on the bold, so it will get in the bold letter. So for example, if you don't want to, just switch it off once again. So whatever the next word I am writing, okay, how are you, how are you. See, I have written how are you. It is not in the bold. So if I want this should be in the bold letter, what can I do over here is, you just select your bold letter and select your whatever the font style you required over here. So I will select some different font style, and I was just selecting the different color this time. I will take with respect to magenta color. So and I will write here, how are you? Okay, you can check out here how it has been written. It has been in the bold letter and along with the different font style also. So for example, if I want to underline whatever the how are you have been written over here, so you just select your underline. So it will underline all the word whatever have been selected. So if you want to overline whatever the letter have been selected, if you want over the line, you just select over the line. So one line has been created on the top of this hello. So if you want any italic style, just select the word and you just select your italic. It is going to be tilt your alphabet. So here, how are you have been written and what are you doing? Okay. What are you doing? I have been written here, how are you and what are you doing. This what are you doing, I don't want any underline, so I have been removed. If I don't want this bold also, I have been removed. And again one more is there, I want to strike through. I want to cut all the words whatever I have been written over here. You just select this one, it will strike all over the your alphabets. Strike through, it is going to be scratch on your line. You can check out here, a slight line they have been scratched over here. So why it is showing me in the red color? Because the alphabet or the word whatever I have been written here, it is wrong. So that's why it is showing me. So if you just delete one line, that line has been, that underline, red underline has been vanished, right? For example, if I want to write 1 by 2, but this 1 by 2 whatever have been written over here, this I don't want in a diagonal one. If I want in a horizontal case, then what I need to do is I need to select this one and then I need to select your stack. You just click on this stack, it will shift to 1 by 2. If I want 1 by 2, so you just select that one, you will get the 1 by 2. The same way here, whatever I will write, for example 2x3, so this first letter should be in the super what I call in the topmost position. You require superscript. Then what you need to do, you need to select that word and you need to just click on this one, it will shift to your top of this x. So again your subscript, if you want this 3 to should be light at the bottom of your x, then what I need to do, I need to select this one and you need to select your subscript, then it will shift to your bottom. For example, whatever the letter have been written over here, it should be in the lowercase or uppercase. If you want, you just select over here. Here you are going to get you just select on your lowercase. This will convert what are you will be in the lowercase. Right, the same thing this doing also. If you want required in the lowercase, then you just select and you can do that one also. It will come in the lowercase, right? So if you want to change the color of this one, you can do that one also. For example, if I want in a gray color, you can do that one also. It is possible. Justification is nothing but your alignment of your alphabets or letters, whatever you are writing over here. For example, here top left, top center, top right, top middle left, middle corner, middle right, whatever you require, you just select that one according to your work, so it will do that things. The same thing over here also, you are going to get the left, right, center and your justify. One more is there, distribute is nothing but when I select over here distribute, it will distribute the throughout the line. How it is going to be distributed, I will show you. So just remove this one. Now I have been selected over here and I will just click over here. You can check out the complete column, whatever you are seeing over here, it has been distributed through that line. For example, if I want to reduce this one also, if I click over here, it will distribute it. Still you just select over here. If you don't want this distribute, switch it off, it will come over here hello, right? And one more is there on the top one is there, bullets and numbering line spacing is there, we will see that one what it is going to do in our AutoCAD. For example, I will write here first I will write here hello. I'll take different font style and different text type, 3 feet. So I'll write here world, how. I'll take R U don't worry about this one. Here it has been split into two columns, whatever you are seeing over here, so no need to worry about that one. We will discuss that one also. Here we got the columns, so there we are going to discuss over this one. So here I have been written, there are different letters I have been written over here. There are around 6 different lines I have written. So if I want to give any bulletin, or if I want to give the numbers, or if I want to give the alphabets, just like 1 2 3 4 how we are going to write serial number. So if you want to give the serial number for this particular line whatever I have been written, you just select your bullets or numberings. So here you got the first one as a number, right? When I hit the number, here you are going to get the 1 2 3 serial numbers. So if you want to shift your alphabets or letters towards your left hand side, you just click this one ruler and you just drag over here, you are going to get that one, right? So if you want to, the spacing should be very less, then you need to just go and select this one. So here you are going to do with the help of your ruler, right? So if I don't want this 1 2 3 serial number numbering wise, I want in a lettered wise, in letter also you are going to get the two different things. One is your uppercase and the other one is your lowercase. So for example, if I was going lowercase, see here now it has been changed the number system to alphabetic, that is lettered. So lowercase you are going to find. So when I was selecting here uppercase, see here all these numbers, they have been shifted to your letters under this uppercase, right? The same way here I want in the bullet form also, you can just select this bullet form, right? So this you can do in the bullet form also. So this, if you this we will discuss it a bit later. So after this, here I got the line spacing. See, you check out here, the line spacing between the first hello and the world will be the one, it will be the pixel. So here you are going to get about 1x, 1.0x. you can check out here, it is 1.0x. For example, this how and world should be 2x or 1.5x. if I keep, see, you can check out here 1.5 times the spacing will be left over these two alphabets or these two words whatever I have been written over here. This will be the spacing between the first letter and the next letter, right? This next one is there, columns are there. The next under the column, you can check out here, no column is there. So it means, so for example, you can check out here, okay. So I have been written here, I will reduce, okay. See here, so if I was just selecting here dynamic columns, I was not doing any of the things, auto-write I will keep, and I will write continue write. See here, when this line has been filled till this part, then what it has been done, it has been shifted to the next column, automatically it has been created. If you don't want that column, then what you need to do, just click on the columns and you just click on no columns, it will not create any columns. This whatever the ruler is there, it is going to be extended automatically. So if you want the number of columns, alphabet should be written in a column wise, then you can go with respect to the dynamic column. Under this dynamic column you got two different things, one is auto height, one is manual height. The one more is there, static columns is there, starting columns. So I will show you here. For example, 4 columns are required, so it has been generated 1 2 3 and 4. See here, when I hit enter, it will shift to the third column and you write whatever you want. So here I will write again hello. So if I hit enter, it will shift to the fourth column. Here if I write world, so you can check out here how it is going to be done. so it will shift after the last column, it will shift to the next over here. If you want over here, you can check out here. When I was going to edit this one, if I double tap here, it will be in the edited text edited format. So here whatever if I was writing, if I hit enter, it will shift to the next column and next column and next column, right? If here you got the ruler, if you want to extend this also, you can do that one also, right? So this is about your columns, static columns and all those things. And one more is the symbol. So I will take once again empty and I will hit enter first and next point. So here you got one more is symbols. For example, any of the symbol, if you want to write over there, plus or minus symbol, if you want to write, you can write that one. So if you want any of the degree symbol or diameter symbol, you can do that one also. So if you want other symbol but it has not displayed over here, then just click over here. A library will be open in front of you people. You can choose any of that symbols you required according to your work. So here there are n number of symbols are there. You can choose whatever the symbol you required according to your work, right? So that is about your symbol. And one more next line is their field. So under this field, for example, I will just this will require a huge concept or a huge time to explain you each and every of these things, so it will take more time. So what I will do, I will just select one point and I will teach you what it is going to be done. So I will just select here date. So what today date is there, 17th April 2023. So if I want that 17th April that should be displayed in this format, then select this one and you just hit OK. It will display Monday, April 17, 2023. So this is how your field it is going to be work, right? So again is there, this has been checked, this means it has been switched on. So for example, if I was writing any of the things over here, just like DFG, something I have written that is not an appropriate sentence or appropriate word, so that's why it is indicating me a red underline. So if you switch off this one, it will not show you, means whether it is right or wrong, it will just type for you. So whether whatever I have been written, whether that word spellings that is correct or not, then during that case what you need to do, you need to switch on your this spell check. So you can check out here, when you switch on, then definitely it will show you the underline, because this is not an appropriate word. So again here you got the edit dictionary. If you click over here, which language you are using the dictionary, current one now. So if you want to change that language to any other countries, so you can do that one also, right? So again I was not doing any what I call editing over there, because I want to use that English only. Find and replace is there, we will see now. And one more is the ruler. If I switch it off, whatever the ruler you are seeing on the top of this one, it will be gone. It will be disappear. It will not see you people. If you want to see that one, so you can't extend or you can't do any of the things during this case. If I want to extend this line, you can't do that one. So for example, during for that case you require the ruler. So for example, you can check out here. Okay, why it is not displaying? You can check out here. If I switch off the ruler, it is disappear. If I switch on the ruler, it is appeared. What is not clearly visible? Okay, now it is visible. See here, if I write something over here, only I was writing hello, the extra space is left. If I want to compress this and I want to fit accurate for this whatever the word I have been written, then what you need to do, you just place the cursor over here and just double tap it. It will automatically select how much the letters you have been written over here, right? If you double tap that one. So one more is there, more option. So here text editor setting is there. Okay, character set is there. Whatever the show background, whatever we have done over here, that is the whole thing, it will come under this your text editor, right? So after that, what we have left over here is I have left annotative. We will see what is this annotative will do, and find and replace. For example, okay, if I want to replace with word this hello, what I need to do is I need to just type find. Okay, you just type find and hit enter. Okay, for what you are going to find, you are finding this hello. I want to replace this hello with respect to world. Okay, when I hit enter, it will take the entire diagram, or you just drag over here. You can selected object you need to choose, because which letter you want to change, only that can be done, right? You just click over here which one you want to be replaced with hello with world, right? So you just select this one and hit enter. So replace. Okay, done. You can check out here, it has been replaced. So how we are going to replace find and replace, you can check out that one, how I have been done. You just type in the command find, or else double tap over here and you just find and replace. You click over here, you are going to get these things. Same thing whatever over here, you just write here world with hello, so this will replace with your hello. This can be done. And one more is there annotative. So I will take this time annotative. Empty have been typed. So here what I will do, I'll write, it is okay, I'll write here world. Okay, I'll write the world. So what annotative will do, you can check out here. You select this one and switch it on. So I will double tap over here and I will come out of my this text command. So now what I will do, I will rise or increase the proportion of your world to 1:8. So when I increase 1:8, you can check out here, this world will be increased by 8 times whatever I have been written previously. If I want to reduce that one also, I can do that one 1:2. When I go that one, it has been reduced this size. Okay, it has been reduced to your twice of that size, whatever the size is there, that has been reduced. So this scale can be used with respect to your annotative, right? So again, whatever we have left, and check any of the things. If you have left match property, have left. Okay, color, okay, done. Column symbols field, edit, find and replace ruler. Okay, only match property. So if I want to this text, so it will acquire this whatever the property code, this text line to this one. So it will acquire all those property, but the color will not acquire. You can check out here. I will type MA and I will hit enter. If I was choosing this one text and if I was placing over here, this will acquire all the properties, means only the text height and the font style, but color and all those things it has been not selected, right? So this is about your multi-line text. If you got any doubts or if you got any queries with respect to single line or multi-line, please comment me in the section. Definitely I will help you out to solve your problem. Thank you.